beauty, style and oomph. All that packed in 6 yards. Well, सिर्फ इंडिया की ही नहीं, दुनिया भर की महिलाएं एक खास जगह बना रही हैं अपने वार्डरोब में साड़ी के लिए. And why not? We all know we love sarees.
We love sarees.
Cottons and silks, लाल नीली सुनहरी साड़ियाँ और उनमें इतलाती ladies of 6 yards and 365 days. A Facebook group जहाँ हर रोज, हर घंटे, even every minute, women share their love for the sari through a picture, of course. Pose, click, and post.
So today we are more than 30,000 members worldwide, which includes members from all over. You name a country, and more than 50 countries have their members in the group. It's a non-paid group. So it has not only revived the sari, the love for sari. The saris are given air, and they come out of the wardrobe, and women wear. They like to display, and she receives compliments every day. So it's helped definitely.
ये सुनीता बुद्धिराजा है, the brains behind 6 yards and 365 days. साड़ी को सिर्फ खास दिनों के लिए ही नहीं, बल्कि हर दिन पहनने को प्रमोट करने के लिए ये ग्रुप सिर्फ 4 मेंबर्स के साथ 2015 में शुरू हुआ और आज ये 30,000 साड़ी लवर्स को जोड़े हुए है. But there are rules to be a part of this साड़ी gang.
Rule number 1.
It is not just about posing a pretty picture. आपको अपनी साड़ी के बारे में, उसकी वीव, उसके स्टाइल के बारे में नॉलेज शेयर करना होगा. रूल नंबर 2, जिस दिन जो साड़ी पहनी हो उस दिन की फोटो शेयर करें. इसके पीछे आइडिया है कि आप हर दिन साड़ी पहने.
रूल नंबर 3.
और सबसे जरूरी, यहाँ सिर्फ हैंड वूवन साड़ी की तस्वीरें शेयर करें. इससे हैंडलूम इंडस्ट्री को प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा.
You see, every sari that we buy, it supports 70 people on an average, from the farmer to the time it comes to my house. So we are creating buyers, and it's giving a demand, and the weavers are able to sell.
Every once in a while, this group meets outside the virtual space for mutual admiration, of course, and to celebrate milestones.
You have to ensure that the sari doesn't get spoiled when you drape the sari, and so loving your sari is something.
Are pins allowed? Safety pins or no?
I don't. But for this event, because we are going to have a ramp walk, I put a safety pin. But women do. But I don't have. So today I had to borrow a safety pin from my maid.
And how do you stock them? Where, what sort of wardrobe?
See, I keep them winters and summers, different stock. So cottons are Holi to Diwali I wear, or Holi to Dashera I'll say I wear cottons, and Dashera to Holi I wear only silks. So it's easy, and then I do color coding. There are all reds together, then are all blues together, all blacks together, or whites together. So it becomes very easy to take out and keep them back. I don't spoil my sari, and if you love your sari, sari loves you.
I think that's the key to remember. If you love your sari is going to love you back.
Clearly, sari is a lot more than a garment. यहाँ साड़ी के साथ जुड़ी यादें हैं.
हम जब बच्चे थे, मम्मी का साड़ी लेकर वो डॉल कहते थे.
बोला कि साड़ी पहन के बहू को आना है, तो आई टोल्ड माई हस्बैंड मुझे तो पहननी नहीं आती. देन ही टोल्ड कि आई विल ट्राई, आई विल हेल्प यू आउट. तो उनको भी नहीं आता था, बट ही प्रिटेंडेड दैट ही नोज.
This is one, and I have another Pattachitra that is for 37. I paid in installments.
Oh, sari on installment.
Yes.
मेरा साड़ी का किस्सा ये है कि जो मेरी पहली साड़ी थी जो मेरे लिए थी, I was around 20 years old that time, and it was red with golden border, and first sari worn by my daughter was that sari only.
पल्लू लहराते हुए और strutting on the ramp, a sari is sure to get your attention. And here in this group, there is encouragement, support, सीटियां और तालियां.
Well, this group of women are certainly proving that the sari is versatile, sari is empowering, sari is cool, sari is hot, साड़ी थी कल, साड़ी है आज और साड़ी रहेगी सदा के लिए।
If you like